How to convert your phone video to slow motion. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open your gallery and scroll down and tap on slow motion. You can convert your video to slow motion from the built-in camera, but it has to be already taken by slow motion mode, or else you cannot do it. To convert it to slow motion, what you need to do is you want to tap on the edit button on the top right corner, and then you can add slow motion or decrease slow motion. But to convert other videos to slow motion, you need a third-party app. I'm using CapCut here. You can get it from App Store, which is totally free. Then you want to start new project. Select any of the video that you want to convert to slow motion, and then tap on add on the bottom right corner. Here you need to select a video. To convert it to slow motion, you want to tap on speed, then put it to normal. Now put this toggle less than 1 and it will play in slow motion. As you can see, the video is playing in slow motion. The same way, you can also fast forward this video. You can put this to plus than 1, 1.2 to 1 point whatever that you prefer. And after that, to export, you want to tap on the arrow facing upward that is on the top right corner, and that is how you can convert iPhone video to slow motion. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.